Okay, and then a few miscellaneous things. First of all, if you use any example URLs in your code in any HTML, always use example.com as the domain. And then just a few comments on naming conventions. First of all, functions and variable names should all use lowercase letters with underscores separating the words. Constants, on the other hand, should use all uppercase letters and underscores separating the words. Classes should use camel case, so words are delineated by an uppercase character, and then the first letter of the first word is also capitalized. And finally, all documentation files like readme.txt and changelog.txt files should include a .text extension to make them easier to open on Windows machines, and the names of the file should be all caps, while the extension should be lowercase. There's a few things you can do from here. First of all, you can read the coding standard stock on Drupal.org and review any subdocuments as well. You can go through this file that we've been using throughout this demonstration and see if you can remember just why the coding standards are the way they are. So I've purposefully left out a lot of explanation and just given you a demonstration of the right and wrong ways to do things. So if you can remember exactly why we're doing things a certain way, that can help anchor it in your head as to why it's a good idea when you write code. And finally, after you run this document through the coder module, you can go ahead and fix any errors that it finds. And finally, when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next video.